VICTOG.com.
Let us see one condition. Let us derive one condition from an arithmetic progression. That is, let A, B and C are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. AP is the short form of arithmetic progression. Let A, B, C are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Then, what is our common difference D? Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to B minus A. Again, we can find out the common difference using the formula A3 minus A2. Also, D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to C minus B. Now, B minus A is the common difference and C minus B is also the common difference. So, we can equate the two values. That is, B minus A is equal to C minus B. Here it is B. We are taking minus B to the left. It will be plus B. And C is here. We are taking minus A to the right. It is plus A. Now, B plus B is equal to 2B. C plus A can also be written as A plus C. Therefore, B is equal to A plus C by 2 is the condition, or it is a method of finding the mid value. If three numbers of an arithmetic progression are given, the middle term will be equal to half of the sum of the first and third terms. That means B can be written or find out by adding the first term and the third term and dividing by 2. That is, the mean of the three terms is the middle term. Also, we can use this condition also. The twice of the middle term is equal to sum of the first and third. Twice of the middle term is equal to the sum of the first and third, or middle term B is equal to A plus C by 2. Again, one more condition. Middle term B can be find out by A plus B plus C by 3. This also can be used for finding the middle term B. The middle term B will be 1/3 of the sum of the given three terms A, B and C. Now, let A be the first term, A be the first term and D be the common difference. Common difference of an arithmetic progression. Now, A1 is equal to A itself. A1 is equal to first term A. A2, how can we find out A2, the second term? Adding common difference to the first term. A1 plus D. That means A plus D. Now, A3 means third term. How will you obtain the third term? By adding common difference to the second term. A2 plus D. But the value of A2 here it is A plus D. Then plus this D is equal to A plus 2D. Now, what is fourth term? A4. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 plus D. That means we are adding common difference to the third term. But the third term here it is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Now plus D is equal to A plus 3D. Once more term. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. That is, we are getting the fifth term by adding common difference to the fourth term. But the value of A4 here it is A plus 3D, then plus D is equal to A plus 4D and so on. A5 is equal to A plus 4D, A4 is equal to A plus 3D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, then what will be the 10th term? A10 will be A plus 9D. What will be A25? Means 25th term is equal to A plus 24D. Then we are obtaining a general form That means the nth term of an AP means arithmetic progression is equal to A plus, here it is 10, here it is 9, here is 25, 24, then here it is AN can be the nth term of an AP can be represented by AN, then AN is equal to A plus. If here it is N, here that will be N minus 1 into D. This is the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us look once again. First term A1 is equal to A. Second term A2, we are obtaining A2 by adding the common difference to the first term A1. That means A1 plus D. But we are assuming the first term A1 to be A. That means A plus D is the second term. Again, A3, we are obtaining A3 by adding the common difference D to the second term A2. But we obtained the value of A2 as A plus D. That means A plus D, A2 is equal to A plus D, then plus D. That is A plus D is equal to A plus 2D. Again, A4 means the fourth term. We are getting the fourth term by adding common difference D to the third term A3. The value of A3, we got it as A plus 2D. Instead of A3, we can write A plus 2D and plus D. Then A plus 2D plus D is equal to A plus 3D is the fourth term. Now A5, the fifth term is A4 plus D. That means common difference D is added to the fourth term. But the value of the fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Now instead of A4, we can write A plus 3D then plus D. A plus 3D plus D is equal to A plus 4D and so on. Now, we are getting A10 is equal to A plus 9D because A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. In the same way, A10 is equal to A plus 9D and A25 is equal to A plus 24D. Then what will be the 100th term? A100, which will be A plus 99D and so on. The nth term of an AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Very, very important formula. We must by heart it. That is nth term of an AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay.